In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple photos and create album in OneDrive. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser and signing in if you're not already. Once you land on the OneDrive homepage, look toward the upper left area of the screen and find the Photos option. Click Photos to switch into the dedicated Photos view. This view is designed for managing images, so it makes organizing and creating albums much easier. At the bottom of the Photos view, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus sign to open the Create menu. From the options that appear, choose Upload. This tells OneDrive you want to bring photos from your computer into your cloud storage. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your images are stored. To select multiple photos at once, hold the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac and click each photo you want. If the images are in a row, click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last one to select the whole range. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct files, then click Open or Upload, depending on what your system shows. You'll see the upload begin, usually with a progress indicator. Larger files and lots of photos can take a bit of time, so keep the browser tab open and let the process finish. Once the upload completes, your new photos will appear in the Photos view, typically near the top as the most recent items. Now, select the photos you just uploaded. You can click each thumbnail to select it, or use a multi-select the same way as before if they're grouped together. With your images selected, look at the bottom of the screen and choose Add to Album. This opens a small panel where you can create a new album. Enter a clear, memorable album name. Something like a date or event title works great so you can find it later. When you're happy with the name, click Create. OneDrive will immediately build the album and place all your selected photos inside it. That's it. You've uploaded multiple photos and organized them into a new album. For best results, keep your internet connection steady during uploads, use consistent album names to stay organized, and double check that you have enough OneDrive storage before adding large batches. If you ever need to add more photos to this album later, just return to the Photos view, select additional images, and add them to the same album the exact same way.